Your Major Planning Guide. Your Major Planning Guide is a resource that will not only help you select your first semester classes, but assist in your overall degree planning. You will want to have this resource handy when adding classes to your schedule. It includes not only required major and general education courses, but a sample plan that can serve as a roadmap to degree completion. Please keep in mind that this is a sample plan and there are many different paths a student can take to complete their degree. To find your major planning guide, go to Inside CBU and click the Academics tab at the top, then click the Traditional Students link on the left, followed by the Major Planning Guides link in the center of the page. Scroll to the accordion file tied to the catalog year you will be starting at CBU. Some majors include a concentration or emphasis while others do not. If your major appears on 2 or more lines, as is the case with biology, this indicates the major has a required concentration or emphasis. Click whichever concentration or emphasis looks most interesting to you. Most often, students do not need to declare their concentration or emphasis until after they started at CBU. If you are an undeclared student, you are free to select any guide that appears interesting to you, and you are encouraged to speak with your student success coach. Your major planning guide includes at least 3 main components: your major requirements, your general education requirements, and at least 1 sample plan. Each component can be found in the tabs at the bottom of the screen. Let's look at each, starting with major requirements. In the major requirements area, you will find all of the classes required for your major. Next are the unit values for each class. In the next column, you will see any course prerequisites, followed by course offerings. And lastly, any special notes. Next is the General Education tab. In this section, you will want to pay particular attention to any highlighted areas that might appear. These indicate general education areas that are completely or partially met by your major. Here we see an area completely met. The natural world is a 4-unit science area, and biology majors take a lot more than 4 units of science. The natural world is met in the biology major. Here you will also find unit requirements for each specific GE area. Lastly, you'll want to access helpful sample plans. If you are a freshman, you will most likely start by following a 4-year plan. However, be sure to speak with your student success coach if you are interested in accelerating this at all. If you are a transfer student, you can consider a 2- or 3-year plan. If your major planning guide does not show a 2- or 3-year sample plan, please speak with your student success coach. We want to assist you in finding the most time and cost-efficient path to degree completion. As mentioned previously, these are only sample plans. At some point, you might want to add a minor, engage in summer research, study abroad, or even declare a second major. Adding programs and experiences to your academic plan will definitely alter the route you take to degree completion, and that is completely fine. Once you have started at CBU, we strongly encourage you to schedule an appointment with your student success coach and begin developing your own custom plan.